Hello and welcome. There are two Nerd Poker Fandom wikis, and I'm going to merge them. If you go through the Merging Communities article, first it explains that merging is exporting and importing, but before doing that, it's agreeing. So first we need to know what we want to move over. So the first thing is to check the special AllPages page, and we're going to basically go through each namespace. Talk, nothing. User, nothing. User talk, nothing. In the wiki names namespace, there's one page, but it's just general rules, not worthy of copying. Files, I checked all the files. Most of them are memes. The rest is stuff that exists on the new wiki, so I'm gonna ignore that as well. File talk, none. Media wiki, there's a main page, and we don't want to copy that because the main page on the Nerd Poker without dashes Fandom wiki is a different page. Templates. I checked the templates. There is nothing non-standard here. There is no help page and thus no talk page. There are categories, but they only contain stuff like all of the cast/character pages can be found here. All episode pages can be found here. So obvious stuff. I checked all. There is no need to copy these. There is no talk. There is no forum and no forum talk. I have no idea what GeoJSON is. There are no blogs. Yeah, this doesn't exist. There are no modules besides default stuff. There are no threads. Okay, greetings. Board. Wow, I didn't know these things existed. Topic. Map. Map talk. Okay, we're done. So only the main namespace has stuff, and we could copy this as text. Instead, I'm using the API, which is open, and it just gets everything in JSON format with max limits, all pages. And I have that for the wiki that is the donor wiki and for the recipient wiki. And I have a little tool which allows you to compare those. Here we put the donor wiki stuff in and the wiki that remains in the end I put on the left. And after comparing, we see how many pages exist in either and which exist in both. And we know main page we don't want. Temporary test is a test page that I made so we can see what happens if you overwrite a page. 18th September, 21/18, 21/16. Okay, so the one that will be imported is already the newer version. So I'm going to make one edit here just to see what happens if I import a page whose latest version is older than the current existing page's most recent version. We'll see what happens later. All right, and then we have wiki 1, wiki 2 titles. We're just going to copy these. Okay, so main page and the name of a main page we don't want. Let's get rid of these. I already checked and the season episode pages are all good. They have content. Pretty sure about that. Temporary test page is something we want to compare. These three, let's check them. And everything here, let's check those. All right, so the loot pages, that one's pretty empty. Let's get rid of that. This one has content. This one has content. This one has content. This one has nothing. Don't forget enemy NPCs. They have been forgotten. Friendly NPCs has content. We're going to keep that. Blaine, yes. Brian, yes. Chris, yes. Dan is empty. Getting rid. Dice competence, yes. Ken, Sarah, the world. Sam is empty. Let's get rid of Sam's page. Ghost Lantern has stuff. And we're back. And that's it. So these are the pages that we want to transfer. So I'm just going to copy that. And exporting we do on the special export page. We can add pages manually, which I am going to do. Just going to select all, paste here, exclude templates, I suppose. Save as file, include not only the current revision, but the full history, yes. All right, so now I have an XML file somewhere, and this is pretty much what it looks like with a bunch of text. I made this template, which will be added to each page that is imported. And to add it to these pages, I will use MassEdit. It allows to use a list of page names. And I already did get JavaScript extensions, or whatever these are called, approved for the Nerd Poker wiki. All right, so here we are on the import page. I'm just going to drop the file here. And this is not the first time I'm doing the steps before. I wanted to do this weeks ago, but also I wanted to record it, and I kept making sure that I understand which pages I'm going to select ahead of time. And I recommend you take your time figuring out which pages you do not want. Interwiki prefix. Now, what does that mean? Assign edits to local users where the named user exists locally. So the help importing and exporting pages page tells you to use w:/c:/wikiname if you want to link to the old wiki. They will be merged, but then the merging will redirect it back. So I guess I'll just use it. In this case, I will use c nerd-poker-4-v-players, and I will assign edits to local users because everything's on the same fandom page anyways, so no need to link back and then forth. The comment will be just merge with nerd-poker for the players, and I will use the original namespace and not some other namespace. Upload file. Okay, and after a while we're on this page. It just says importing pages and nothing's going on, so let's just check out some of these pages. Yep, everything seems to be there. And interestingly, I already deleted this page, but the final result was the recipient wiki test page, so it didn't change. Instead, test for merge, which is the only revision here, got inserted back in history where it belongs. Pretty cool. Hopefully that's what you want when you import stuff from another wiki where stuff is older than new stuff on yours with name conflicts. Alright, so now it's time for MassEdit. To install MassEdit, you use MediaWiki import.js, which is over here. Community Central has a bunch of extensions, and so I just add dev:/massedit/code.js and save, and here it is. Looks pretty much the same. Okay, so now that we did this, it is here in the toolbar at the bottom right. Here in my tools, MassEdit. Okay, so we want to add new content. Okay, weird. Prepend. We would like this to be at the top. We want to select loose pages. Exclude redirects. Okay, so we're going to just add this template. This is the new content, and I guess we're going to add a new line just over here. Let's see if that does anything. And the page entries. Let's just copy all the pages and hit submit. No, we're just going to use one. We are going to try this with Ghost Lantern. Let's look at the page now. Okay, we have one empty line at the start, one at the end. Merge info is the comment, and we're going to submit. Preparing to edit. Success. All edits completed. Here we go. So that's what happened. First, let's look at this. Yeah, okay, it added merge to do, and it added it to a new line above what was there before. Good, that's what I wanted. So now I already inserted all the other pages, and I'm going to submit. Preparing to edit. Balmode's Fury successfully edit. Alright, so we're going to have to just wait until this finishes. I mean, hopefully it will all successfully finish. What do you know? All edits completed. What does it look like? Yep, here we are. What links here? All these pages. Alright, cool. So I don't really need this, so I'm gonna just delete this page. Okay, it's gone, and it's gone from my tools. And let's just check in my preferences. I could have installed it in Appearance, enabling personal JavaScript and adding custom JavaScript over here. Okay, and yep, it would appear here as well. So I didn't need to install it site-wide. So this is the technical aspect of merging communities. Okay, so now I'll just clean up some of the pages, not all of them. The whole season 5 episode pages are actually named. I'm gonna move them with redirects. And after that, I suppose I'm going to contact Fandom support to finish the merge and redirect the donor wiki to the current wiki. I hope this was useful. Good luck with your merge, and see you in the next video perhaps. Until then, ciao.